It's here. Well, there was 2 earthquakes today, around 2. There were actually 2 simultaneously. One 6.8 and the 7.4, but I also heard like it could be a 7.1. But there were 2 actually simultaneously. I did not know it was actually 2. I thought it was actually only 1. And there was damage. There was damage in many places. A school fell down, and a lot of kids were trapped inside, but some have already escaped, have already gotten out. But there's some that are missing, and I hope they're okay. I really hope they're okay. Cayamburgo, there was damage. In my household, there was some debris, a little bit, like it was more dust bowl, but there wasn't serious. But on Cayamburgo, there was damage, like of glass. I saw a copier place that actually had damage of broken glass. And yeah, so be safe. And a lot of places are out of power. And Roma and Colonia Roma and Condesa were hit one of the hardest, aside from Morelos and Puebla, which were the epicenters of this earthquake, of these earthquakes, these 2 earthquakes. Be safe. Bye. Lily starts out.